Window pane quilt patterns offer a unique blend of aesthetic appeal and creative design. These patterns create the illusion of looking through panes of glass, using clever fabric arrangements to mimic window frames. Let's explore free window pane quilt patterns that showcase both modern and traditional designs. First up is the Window Panes quilt from Free Spirit Fabrics. This vibrant pattern celebrates summer with large, brightly colored blocks. Using the Garden Brighter collection by Sue Penn, it features unique painterly prints. At 66 by 84 inches, this beginner-friendly quilt is perfect for indoor crafting and connection. Next, we have the Window Pane Mini Quilt, designed by Shelley from Coral & Co. This modern, beginner-friendly project is ideal for charm packs or 5-inch scrap fabrics. At 24 by 24 inches, it's great for wall decor or as a doll quilt. The third pattern is the Window Pane Quilt, also known as the Stained Glass Panel by Lucy Sinkler. This 60 by 69 inch quilt resembles church windows with its stained glass panels. Its contrasting color scheme and striking symmetry create a visually stunning piece that can serve as a blanket or decorative mat. Fourth on our list is the Dresden Window Pane Baby Quilt by the Stitching Scientist. This charming pattern uses the Flutterberry Fabric Collection by Melly and Me for Riley Blake designs. At 36 by 40 inches, it's the perfect size for a baby quilt and focuses on ease and speed of creation. Our final free pattern is the Window Pane Throw Quilt by Wendy Shepard. This sophisticated quilt features the Midsummer Fabric Collection by Hackney & Co. Sized at 59 by 77 inches, it's designed for intermediate quilters and comes with a detailed step-by-step guide. Window pane quilt patterns offer endless creative possibilities, allowing quilters to transform fabric scraps and collections into striking works of art. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced quilter, these patterns provide opportunities to express your personal style and showcase your skills. So grab your fabric and start creating your own window pane quilt masterpiece today. For even more inspiring window pane quilt patterns, visit ilovequiltingforever.com and discover designs to frame your next project.